Is it filming yet? Hey, we are this. What's up, y'all? Hey, yo. Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grandiose day, by the way. Feathers up. We not just talking. We not actually. We just. Hey, we know we talking. We not just lit. Frank. Hey, so I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna keep it up. We just. Okay, look. We're not actually just talking it. We actually living it. Y'all put that down in the chat, man. Make sure we get it right, man. And and I just kind of goes to show you a life, though. One of the things is that you may slip up, but you know what? You can always come up and you can fix yourself. Always fix yourself, man. Always make sure you get yourself right. You dig? And I had to get myself right because I was actually a little bit slacking. Because I was trying to do a whole bunch of other stuff and a whole bunch of other stuff, and it gets put in front of your face. You get what they call distracted, motherfucking put off track, really. And I've been saying that. Y'all know that I've been saying that. I've been showing y'all playing with the seeds and whatnot. I showed y'all that. And what happened was I got my seeds, but I even showed y'all the research I've been doing, but I didn't plant the seeds because I was waiting on the move. But I'm just like, man, I might as well just get something started, just plant a lead, and I just get some more seeds, because that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. Show y'all. Let me pause it so I can go there. All right, y'all. By the way, it took me like 5 minutes or so just to get back, to find a place, a proper place, in order to show what I was. I guess I was trying to get it so I could prop a camera up, I could show you guys, but that just took too long. So I just guess I'm just gonna be doing this with one hand on camera and one hand planting the seeds or whatnot. But yeah, I got these plastic containers, and you saw there's remnants in there. I rinsed them out a little bit, but if there's anything else in there, it's alkaline or electric food that was being put in these containers. So it wouldn't matter. That's the type of actually seeds we're growing. The seeds we're growing are the seeds we do have. We're gonna be planting. So yeah. And part of the reason is kind of like with me just holding the camera, that kind of just further goes just do the dang thing, get it done, Dan Pena says pull the trigger, just pull the trigger, man. Get it done. I was doing a lot of searching and whatnot, but this is all growing experience as well as too, as far as just be able to detox. So I think a lot of times people just detox in order to get lose weight. But I don't think you realize that detoxing actually has to do with the mind as well. So you detox with the mind is be able to experience a lot of things that have happened in the past, and you come to realization with it. And that's what I'm experiencing now, and that's part of the growth too. But yeah, like I said, this is me trying to open this up with one hand. Bloop. Look at that. That soil fresh, baby. That soil is fresh. Well, it's been sitting there, honestly. So yeah, about to take some soil and put it in there. Let's go. And I also got some labels or whatever. I don't expect them to stick on there too long, but hey, it's gonna be there. And we're gonna break the dirt up. If we need more, we need more. If we need less, we need less, in order to shift left, Oh, they got the roots. Feel the roots up in there, yeah. Oh, that look out. Yeah, that's a rock, baby. That's a rock. That's a rock. Yeah, this soil feels so soothing. Oh, I just dropped the rock down in there. Maybe I should put it down over here. There you go. I got two different colors, blue and black. I wonder if I'm going to make them anything different. I don't know. But yeah, that's why I said I wasn't really tripping about the labels, because with the labels, I was going to, what do they call it? I was going to be able to see it. I was going to be able to see it, you know, when the plants grow. This feels kind of cool, bro. Should have been doing this. All right. All right. Another rock. It's a rock. So I think I figured I'm not going to fill it up to the tip top. That's what I realized, but I am going to like fill it up. Big it up, big it in. I came to win. You mad at me, that's a sin. Did it, hands up. Hey. This is fun. Clearly I'm having a blast by doing this, y'all. I recommend this to y'all. And just use what you got. Use recyclable stuff. All you really need is the seeds and some dirt. Hey, and you're in business, man. You're really in business, man. Woo. This is actually cool because, you know, people was like, I remember if you guys seen our videos, is dirt actually dirty? Y'all can look that up. Is dirt actually, oh, that was a thick clump. Is dirt actually dirty? People say dirt is dirty. Like, if dirt is dirty, then why do people take mud baths? Is dirt dirty then? Because if they say something's unclean, they say it's dirty. Dirt seems to be clean to me because anything that's natural grows from the dirt. Anything that's natural grows from the dirt. It can sustain from the dirt. You dig? I don't mind if I got a little water in it, because we're going to water in it, you dig? I don't mind if I got a little water in it, we're going to put some water in it, you dig? Hey. Yeah, but if dirt is dirty, why do people take mud baths? Put the answers in the comments, y'all. Put the answers in the comments. Put the answers in the comments, man. dirt is actually very helpful, you know. And I say that people whose skin is the same color as the soil, I think a lot of them run from nature. They're like, oh, I don't do nature. Alert dog on patrol.